In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Apple Maps cache. If Apple Maps has been showing outdated roads, loading slowly, or taking up more space than you expect, clearing its cache data can help. There isn't a single clear cache button in Apple Maps, but removing your downloaded offline maps effectively clears the stored map tiles and forces the app to fetch fresh data. Start by opening Apple Maps on your iPhone. Give it a second to load on the main map screen. This is the place where all your navigation preferences and downloaded content are tied to your account, so we'll head there next. Tap your profile picture at the top right of the screen. If you don't see a photo, you might see your initials inside a small circle. That's the same button. This opens your account area where Apple Maps keeps settings and downloads associated with your Apple ID on this device. Now look for the option labeled Offline Maps and tap it. Offline Maps is where Apple Maps stores any regions you've saved to use without a data connection. These downloads are incredibly useful for travel, but they also make up most of the cached data that can get stale over time. Inside you should see a list of any regions you've saved along with their sizes. Tap any downloaded offline map you want to remove. This opens the details for that specific region and shows options related to it. If you have multiple regions, you'll repeat this for each one you want to clear. Choose delete map, and when the confirmation appears, choose delete map again to confirm. That second tap is important, it prevents accidental deletions. Once you confirm, the stored tiles and directions data for that region are removed from your device. If you're clearing space or troubleshooting odd behavior, this is the action that refreshes what Apple Maps will use going forward. After you delete your offline maps, Apple Maps will pull updated information over the internet the next time you browse or navigate, effectively rebuilding a fresh cache. If you rely on offline navigation for travel, you can always come back later and re-download the regions you need with the latest, up-to-date data. And if things still look the same right after deleting, give the app a moment on a reliable connection so it can fetch new tiles. To recap, open Apple Maps, tap your profile icon, go into offline maps, select your downloaded regions and confirm delete map. It's a quick way to clear out old data and make sure you're seeing the most current map information. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more up-to-date Apple Maps experience.